Hello everybody, and welcome to Frugal Mr. Dean and his baseball cards. Today we're going to open up another box of Archives baseball from last year. I just noticed that I opened this up about a month ago here on the channel, but I want to revisit it for two reasons. First off, I went to Walmart today and they really didn't have a big selection. And second off, I really do like Archives. I like how they have the multiple designs, how they have current and retired players. It's a really good selection. I enjoy it. That, and they have a really good rookie class still. You have Corbin Carroll, Gunnar Henderson, Michael Harris Jr., Adley Rutschman. One thing I will be looking for this is more of this insert style. It is the 52 style Hit Stars. It is a 15 card set with current and modern players. That, and they also talk about having the 3 exclusive 1969 top single player foil cards. We'll take a look at those as well. Let's see what we got in the first. Christopher Morel, Julio Rodriguez, Matt Chapman, Mike Mussina, Brandon Lowe, Wade Boggs. Is this numbered? Yes, it is numbered 58 out of 199. Nice hit there. Let's rearrange this. CJ Cron and Kendall Marte. Yeah. Wade Boggs, famous for his drinking of beer on a cross-country plane ride from Boston to California. The creators of... Oh. Is this one? Nope. Creators of... This is... Let's save that for later. The creators of Always Sunny in Philadelphia kind of talked about that, then had a episode where the gang flew from Philadelphia to California drinking beers on the plane, because it is rumored that he had 31 beers and then was able to go 3 for 4 that night. And then this Derek Jeter, this was that insert set that I was talking about. It is the 57 Hit Stars. I think once I collect all of them and put them in a binder page, it's going to look really nice, all 16 of them. Well, it'd be 2 binder pages. Byron Buxton, Nolan Jones, Mitch Hanger, George Springer, Honus Wagner, Aaron Judge. This is one of those cards that I was talking about. That's the 69 style single player foil cards. And a Nolan Ryan, Will the Thrill Clark, and Mr. Miller. As of filming this, we're second weekend of baseball. It is the 6th of April. Michael Bush, Brian Harris, Mr. Garrett Mitchell, Brett Beatty, Julio Rodriguez. Oh, this is another insert I'll talk about. Pete Alonso, Logan Webb, Ernie Banks. Another insert set that they had with this Archives was the 89 style doubleheader. You can see the 89 DH. And what they would do is they would have 2 different players on each side. Got 3 more packs to go. Mr. Lou Gehrig, Ken Griffey, Greg Maddux, Justin Turner, Ryan Mountcastle, Carlos Delgado, another one of those 89 or '69 style top player cards. Juan Soto, Luis Garcia, Nick Cassiano, Sonny Gray, Tyler Spencelson, Eduardo Hernandez, Rosario, and Trevara. Okay. Josh Young, Oswald Perez, Mr. Jazz Chisholm Jr., Mike Piazza, Roger Hornsby, Tanner Bieber, the third and final of the '69 style shiny player card, Randy Johnson, Garrett Cole, and Salvador Perez. So this was the main notable cards from the blaster box. Got that numbered Wade Boggs, was able to get the insert set of the Hit Stars, the 3 foiled cards, and then the double header. Looks nice. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video. If you could like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you and have a great day.